If you're a senior traveler or planning adventures later in life, you're in the perfect place. Travel should be exciting, comfortable, and rewarding no matter your age. Today, I'll be sharing insider tips that can make your journey smoother, cheaper, and far more enjoyable. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on the latest travel hacks and secrets. Now let's uncover 12 senior travel secrets airlines don't want you to know. Whether you're visiting loved ones, planning your dream trip, or just looking for your next adventure, these strategies will help you save money, avoid stress, and travel with ease. Stick around until the end. Some of these may surprise you. 1. Book flights directly with airlines. Third-party websites may look cheaper, but when issues like cancellations or rebookings pop up, airlines prioritize their direct customers. Save yourself endless hold times and frustration by booking straight from the airline's site. Ask for senior discounts, even if they're not advertised. Many airlines quietly offer them. A quick call or question at the counter can unlock savings of 5 to 10%, which really adds up, especially on international flights. 3. Don't settle for your first seat assignment. Better seats often open up 24-48 hours before departure. Keep checking online, and you may snag a prime aisle or front row seat for free. Use the 24-hour rule to rebook cheaper fares. U.S. airlines must allow free changes or cancellations within 24 hours. If you spot a lower price, rebook and pocket the savings. 5. Always pack a flight survival kit. Bring a refillable water bottle, healthy snacks, medications, a neck pillow, and noise-canceling headphones. Being prepared makes delays and long flights much easier to handle. 6. Avoid basic economy. It may look like a bargain, but restrictions, like no seat choice or carry-on, can make travel stressful. Standard economy is usually worth the slightly higher price. 7. Use mobility rights to your advantage. If you need extra help, airlines must provide it: wheelchair service, early boarding, help with bags, or seats near the front. Don't hesitate to ask. 8. Watch for hidden fees. What looks like a cheap fare may explode with baggage, seat, and boarding fees. Always check the final breakdown before booking. 9. Bring your own entertainment. Wi-Fi is spotty, and seatback screens break often. Load up your tablet with movies, audiobooks, and shows before flying. 10. Speak up nicely when things go wrong. Airlines often offer compensation for delays or poor service, from free miles to upgrades. A polite, firm request can pay off. 11. Choose non-stop flights when possible. They may cost a bit more, but avoiding connections means less stress, fewer delays, and less chance of lost luggage. 12. Research airport services for seniors. Many airports offer perks like expedited security, shuttle carts, and senior-friendly lounges. A quick check online can make your journey much smoother. Take a breath. We've just covered booking strategies, packing tips, fee traps, and airport hacks. Feeling more confident yet? Let me know in the comments which of these surprised you the most. And now, here are a few bonus secrets even frequent flyers overlook. Request wheelchair service, even if you don't need it. Airports can be exhausting, and this service often includes priority boarding and faster security. It's free, but you'll need to request it in advance. Travel smart with timing and insurance. Midweek and early morning flights are cheaper and less crowded. Also, review your travel insurance carefully. Make sure it covers pre-existing conditions, trip cancellations, and emergencies abroad. Some credit cards include coverage you might not even know about. Keep essentials in your carry-on and download airline apps. Medications, documents, chargers, and a spare outfit should always be with you. Apps give you instant updates on gates, delays, and even baggage tracking. Think of it as your personal travel assistant. Senior travelers today are savvier and more adventurous than ever. You deserve every perk available. Airlines may not advertise these secrets, but now you know how to fly smarter, safer, and with less stress. Before your next trip, remember, book smart, pack prepared, and don't be afraid to advocate for yourself. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more travel wisdom, and share it with someone planning their next journey. And of course, drop your own favorite travel tip in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. Until next time, safe travels, and may every trip be your best one yet.